Who will win this competition? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Fast, eat fast. Eat as quickly as possible.
We go to our competition. Who will eat Coco first? Name is Shevil. Let's start. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Go, Shevil.
Shahir, hurry up.
Hurry up.
You both have to eat corn cob. Who will win this competition? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Fast, eat fast. Eat as quickly as possible. No. Hurry up. Who will win the competition? I will get toys too. Who will win the competition? You want toys? Who will want toys? No, then hurry up and finish your corn cob. Hurry up, fast. Yes, if you have to get toys, then you have to finish your corn cob fast. As fast as possible. I think Shahir is gonna win. No? Ari will going to win.
No, I'm going to win.
Okay, then you eat if you want to win. Who is going to win? If you are not eating, then how can you win? You have to eat. You have to finish the corn cob. Arib already has eaten half of it. I think Arib is going to win.
I'm going to win.
Okay. Let's see who is going to win. Very good. If you have to win, you have to eat. Look at Bhai. He has eaten most of his corn cob. But you have eaten very less. You eat fast. If you want to finish, you want to get toys, you eat fast. Yes, that's great. Yes, you are going to win. It looks like Arif is going to win.
No, I'm going to win. You will not get
If you are talking, then you may lose the competition.
I'm going to win.
You should focus on eating.
I'm going to win, Papa. Papa, please.
What? Oh, just leave it. You just eat, you just focus on eating, otherwise you are going to lose the competition.
If you talk, then you lose the competition.
Bhai is going to win, your Bhai is going to win. You see, he has almost finished the corn cob. You are just talking, you are not doing. I think Shahir, it's impossible for you to win this competition.
It's not possible for me.
Yes, it is possible for you. You have almost finished.
No, but no more serious.
I already thought that Ari was slow eater and Shahir is fast eater. But I think Shahir is fast, Arif is fast eater and Shahir is slow eater. Arif is just swallowing whole grains. He is not chewing for winning the competition. Hurry up, fast. Hurry up. Bhai is going to win. Just drink water and then eat your corn cob. have to finish the corn cob. Otherwise, you will not win the competition.
Then I'll do the competition.
Hurry up! It's just little bit left. Don't do that. You just focus on eating, Shahid. You have not eaten that much. It's so much left for you, Shahid. You have to eat fast if you want to win this competition. No, Shahid still has a chance. Shahid, you can still have a chance. I think Shahid just put his hope down for winning this competition. Arif, just finish it and you are going to win. It's just your last bite, I think. And then you will be the winner. Oh, Arif win! Arif won the competition! Arif won the competition!
Can I get toys?
Yes, you can. Now I am going to announce the winner. I am going to announce the winner, and Arif is winner. You see, Shahid, I finished all corn cob. You have so much left here. You lost the competition, and Arif won the competition. Now Arif will get the toys. Yeah, great. Now we are going to mark it, and we will get toys for Arif.
Papa, see? I'm going to have toys. Papa, she will also get toys.
Yes, Shahid will also get toys. Arif got toys. Arif won the competition. Now Arif got toys. Arif, why did you get toys?
I win the competition.
Yes, very good.